Selamat datang everybody, welcome to my tiny kitchen here at Pisang Susu. Today we're gonna make lontong, an Indonesian rice cake. The things you need for lontong are 75 grams of rice per person, this is for two, pandan leaf, lemongrass and a pinch of salt. I do not rinse my rice because we need the starch for the cake. I'm gonna add the water, and you have to add water until it's 1 phalanx, not yet there, above the rice. Let's check again, a little bit more, just a little bit more. Yeah, there you go. Now add the salt, the pandan leaf and the lemongrass and heat it up. When your rice looks like this, it's done. And stir it through. And it has to cool a bit, so I place it on a plate and let it cool. So now, the banana leaves. I get these from the freezer at an Asian food store. First, I cut them in, it's like 3 finger size, I think. I rinse them to make them clean because, they grow outside. And now, I'm gonna rinse it with boiling hot water because it brings out the oil in the leaves. It makes them shine and easier to roll. And I'll make it dry. Be careful, they can tear easily. And now your banana leaf is ready for the rice. Mash it up a bit more while it's cooling. It needs to get sticky like this. So shape the rice like a sausage, like this, because the banana leaf is too tender. Try to roll it gently into a nice tube. Yes. Fold it together, bring it towards you. There you go. Lontong. When your lontong breaks like this, it opens up and then fluids can go in. You just take out the pins gently and take another leaf and use it as an extra layer. So here is your lontong. Now we have to bring it to the boil and let it simmer for 1 hour. So this is my lontong, completely done. So when it's done, then take it out of the water immediately and drain it like this, so the water can come out. You open it up like this, a lontong. Cut it like this. Perfect shaped, beautiful tiny lontong. So lontong is really nice with a gado-gado or a sate babi with peanut sauce, but I like to taste it with kecap manis. Dense cake, tender, chewy, I love it. Good food. Lontong, selamat makan!